is a 12-year-old quarter horse stallion that had a history of having a very successful show career as a reiner. He had sustained a pretty serious injury of a deep digital flexor bow, had been rested, and they had started bringing him back from that. He had been used at stud and then brought back into training. The owner presented him to Chaparral because when they started to bring him back, to get him back into the show ring, he had showed a very mild but performance-limiting lameness. After treatment, he went back to the ranch, rested for 3 days as is standard post any joint and bursa injection, and then he started his rehabilitation program on the Aqua Tread. Bert's rehabilitation program was approximately 8 weeks on the Aqua Tread. I got to recheck him at 6 weeks post Aqua Tread treatment, and he was completely sound at that time at all gates. I was very impressed with the way the horse moved. I was impressed with his fitness level. He really had good air, he had good muscle structure, and he just looked fantastic. At that time, we also initiated acupuncture therapy to complete the treatment plan. At the end of 8 weeks, after the completion of our comprehensive treatment plan, Bert was able to go back into training. I'd like to take a moment and tell you my personal experience at the RT Arrow Ranch with my own horse. I have a 9-year-old quarter horse heel horse that was having bilateral swelling in both of his hind limbs. We took him up to RT Arrow Ranch to be treaded for 1 month. We were met there by Tracy and her crew, and she actually put him on the treadmill at the time we were there. I was very impressed with the cleanliness of the water, something that was very important to me. She has an area where she can stand and monitor that horse while it treads, where you can look at both its shoulders and its hips and down over its top line and really look for the fluent movement of that horse. The importance to me, not just with my own horse, but as a veterinarian and sending other horses up there, is that if viewing those horses on a regular basis as she does, she calls me if anything changes. Therefore, we can adapt the rehabilitation program for that horse as needed if we take them too quickly in their return to function. My gelding was bathed and cream rinsed and kind of spoiled. I felt very comfortable leaving my gelding there, and I was given regular updates on his condition and his progress throughout his stay.